Hey, what's up, guys? I know you can't see me for this little part, but big night can. But today we're just gonna do a quick trial of all the farm animals. So we got these two, the little buttheads that like to escape the pen. See, I'll even show you. Like, pick it up, and then set it, go in, and then watch. Blue cat. Literally stands there like it's nothing, but he always escapes with the other one. And then we got a potbelly pig. Oh, the cat, the goat, stop. We got a cow, which likes to suck on the cats, apparently, for some reason. We got a whole bunch of little cats. Oh, and then we got Mrs. Mama, which has, I don't think you guys can see, but this is a baby. There's four, but I'm only gonna show one. They're really cute, but so over here we got chicken. Her name is Daisy. Oh my god, everybody's falling. See this one? I put this one in the pen, and it already escaped. God. We got a whole bunch of baby chicks. Not girls, boys. So, this is what they look like. Very cute. And they're very loud. Last but not least in here are the geese. These little nuggets. They're getting huge. Okay, Caps, you need to move. Hi, guys. Say hi. There's one. And there's two. Those are geese. Okay, goat, you need to move. Well, oh, and. This is what happens to the cat when it gets sucked on by a cow. It's weird and disgusting. Well, the video's not over yet. So let's just like hop out here. Oh, it's cold. We got a perfect view. We're more about showing all the animals and cats. There's Mr. Kitty over there. And then there's Mamas. Hi, Mamas. Come here. Come here. No, okay. Oh, and then there. Come here. Guess who it is? There's a goat. There's more. Hi, guys. Hi. If you can't see, the one way back there, that ran away from me. That's a new one. This one's Sonic. That one's Oreo. That one with the really no. This one that's coming up. This is Milk. That one right there, we haven't named it because it's just a fainting goat. Other than we haven't named it, it's not a fainting goat, but then if you look over there, now there's a fence. You can see 3 moo cows. The 2 brown one, they don't like people. But then that one, she just loves people. And then if we make our way over here. Wait. Hi, guys. If you can see, I'm not very good. But we got a whole bunch of horses. You gotta run over here. Ah! Very cold. We're coming. Alright. So then, we made it into our barn. So hi. It's a little dark in here. We got Moo Cow. He's missing one of his ears. I don't know why. And then this one, come back over here. Ow. That hurt. I just stubbed my toe on a piece of wood. Oh. We got him! Yeah, he's trying to lick the tablet, but... Stop! Oh, you just licked it. Hi. And then over here, we got a fence. So hi. Hi. You like that? Is it cool? You want your bottle, huh? You're okay. And then, if we make our way over here, look at all these! There's plenty of where that came from. Oh, there goes Patricia in that car way down there. So, there's all these. And then if you make your way over here, I'll zoom in so you can see them better. You don't. Come on. There's all these. Most of the babies come from these, but these are all the cows that we take. No, not we. They take for, butchering them. Oh, it's freaking cold in Alaska. Wait, no, it's not Alaska. I'm in Dells. And then Maverick. Oh my God! Take my way over here. Say hello to him. Hi. Hi. You excited? And then we got her. Yeah, we got her. And then we got him. There's more inside. Yeah, I'll show you the ones inside. There's those. That one with a red face. Actually, a Scovy duck. I think that's what they're called. And another kitty. That one's pregnant. There's more babies inside, but those. Good. Where do you guys go? Oh, here you go. We got more chickens and a turkey. I mean, there's still 2 more animals I want to show you guys. One of them, you don't want to feed it when you don't want to give it or mess around with it when it's eating. That one, that thing. When we first got it, it looks like a big bear. So fluffy. Sometimes it's nice when you pet it, but oh, I thought you killed the rat, buddy. Hi, Nanook. This one's Nanook. That first one, that was Maverick. And then the second one, that one was Morgan. And last but not least, we got a peacock. That's my grandma's, so. Well, if you like this video, please tell me if you liked it. Please like and subscribe. And we'll come back with more awesome videos.